So welcome the students of class 7. Welcome again to our social science geography class. So today in this class we are going to discuss another two different type of natural vegetation grown all over the world, as well as another type, that is the grasslands. Okay. So in previous classes I have already discussed the four different type of vegetation, such as tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forests, tropical evergreen forest, and temperate deciduous forest. Now today in this class we are going to discuss at first the Mediterranean vegetation. So for this, open your book and in page number 42 of your geography book and follow. So what is Mediterranean vegetation? So first I am drawing a map. So look at the map carefully. So it is a map actually of the Western Europe. This is a map of Africa. Okay, so this is the Arabian Peninsula, and here this is the Mediterranean Ocean. Okay, look at carefully the Mediterranean Ocean region. Okay, so this region, this landlocked Mediterranean Sea, actually this landlocked sea is known as Mediterranean, this place. Okay, so this landlocked place is known as Mediterranean. So Mediterranean Sea, and these countries are, this is Italy, this is the Spain, and here Portugal is there, this is the France, this is Greece, Turkey, and here the Egypt. Okay, Algeria, Morocco. So these type of countries are here. Okay, Libya also there. Okay, so this is the Mediterranean region. So in Mediterranean Sea, around Mediterranean Sea, these type of forests are grown. Okay, so you may have learned the most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees, and the western side and the southwestern region of the continent of Europe is totally covered with Mediterranean vegetation, and the name of the vegetation actually came from the name of the sea, and the places around this sea where this type of vegetation are grown, and it is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe and Africa and Asia. So this Mediterranean Sea is a very important place, where because it is also the junction of three different continents. The Turkey, it is and the Arabian Peninsula, this part is Asia, and this northern part, it is the Europe, and this is the Africa. Okay, so three continents mingled in this junction. So this region, the kind of vegetation found also outside this region, like the Californian USA, the Southwest Africa, southwestern and southwestern South America, and Southwest Australia. So this, in these places also the same type of vegetation observed. So I think you have understood the places where this type of vegetation are grown, not only the places around the Mediterranean but also the other places. So I am writing the places, name of the places one by one here. So the first one, it is the California in USA. Okay, the south west Australia, and southwest South America, and as well as the Mediterranean region itself. Except this, the weather of these places are very dry, so trees adapt themselves to dry summers with the help of their thick barks and wax coated leaves, which help them to reduce transpiration. So you know that because of transpiration, most of the water they actually vaporized from the leaves. So to stop this process, they evolved themselves. And Mediterranean regions are known as the orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. It is also known as the orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. So what kind of trees are grown in this region? Okay, so the trees that are grown in this region, so these are the fig, the olives, the grapes, the oranges, etc. These are the main trees grown in these regions. Oranges, grapes, and olives. Okay, so these are the trees, and these type of trees are grown in hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. Okay, so this is the main features of the Mediterranean vegetation. So now I am rubbing the board for the another vegetation. Okay, so next one, so next vegetation, it is the coniferous vegetation. So from the name you can understand easily the what type of trees are grown in this region. Coniferous vegetation. Okay, so in coniferous vegetation, it is grown, these type of trees grown mainly in the higher latitudes, mainly 50 degree to 70 degree latitudes of northern hemisphere. Okay, and you know that 66.5 degree it is the latitude that is known as Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north and 66.5 degree south, it is known as the Antarctic Circle. Okay, so Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So around the areas of these latitude, these type of trees are grown on the both the side of Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So the areas mainly the Siberia as well as the places of Canada. Okay, so the places are Canada, Siberia, okay, so this type of regions, and the in Himalayan regions also in India, and the Alps region in Europe, these type of trees are very common. And the weather is extreme cold weather here, so only some special type of trees are survived here. Very cold. So the what kind of trees are grown in these regions? So let's check. So name of the trees, these are cheer, pine, cheer, pine, as well as the trees like cedar. Okay, so cedar, so these type of trees are grown in this region. Okay, and in this region the uses of these trees are very important for the people living there. Okay, so the main uses are the barks of these trees. They are very useful to making pulp, and this pulp used to making paper and also newsprint. Okay, and as well as from this soft wood, the woods are very soft, so from these soft woods they the people use this for making matchboxes and packing boxes. So you may have seen the packing boxes used to pack the apples and the fruits. These are also made by from this type of woods. Okay, now what kind of animals live in these forests? So what kind of animals grown in this forest? So the animals are the snow leopard, okay, snow leopard, silver fox, ibex, one type of goat like animal, okay, the Kashmiri stag, as well as some other animals such as red panda, the very rare animal, red panda, and also wild sheep, mink, and polar bear. So these are some animals also grown in the coniferous vegetation forests. Okay, in the region where coniferous trees are grown. Okay, so remember the animals again: red panda, snow leopard, silver fox, ibex, stag, one type of deer, it is called stag. Okay, and also the big bears, and silver fox, mink, one type of animal, small animal, and wild sheep. Okay, so students, these are some examples of the animals that are found in the coniferous vegetation. Okay, so thank you for this class. So in next class I will discuss about the grasslands and the shrubs. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class.